Hello guys, this is Mansoor from Tech and here I have the Xiaomi Redmi 5. Let's unbox it. This is the retail version which you will get in the market. The phones come in 3 variants, a 2GB RAM/16GB variant, a 32GB one with 3GB and a 4GB with 64GB one. The box is traditional like other Redmi phones. The main specs highlighted at the back. Let's just take our unboxing knife and slide it between. And here you go. Firstly, you are getting the warranty paper, so plug it and keep it aside. Next, I think this is a case and it's a nice addition. A transparent silicone jelly case. It is one of the first phones that I have unboxed having the case first. Next are the product's leaflets. Plug them as well and keep them aside. Let's take the phone outside. And wow, what a beautiful color that is. We will remove the IMEI stickers and keep the phone aside as well. Underneath we are getting the wall adapter which supports 5V/2A output and a micro USB cable. Let's power the phone up. The back feels premium with this soft metal finish. The main selling point is the screen, which is an 18:9 aspect ratio display of 5.7 inches. On the top, you are getting the IR blaster for your TVs and stuff, while a 3.5mm audio jack. The right side is having the volume rockers, the power button, while the left side bears a hybrid SIM card slot. Down on the bottom, you are having the micro USB port and the speaker grill. The camera on the back is a 12MP one followed by an LED flash and a fingerprint sensor. The front houses the sensors and the front-facing 5MP selfie camera along the flash as well and the earpiece. The main specs include the Snapdragon 450 chipset and Adreno 506 in terms of GPU, 16GB of storage along with 2GB of RAM. Software-wise, you are getting MIUI 9.1 on top of Android 7.1 Nougat. We will use the phone for a week and will come up with a full review, so do look for that. Subscribe to the channel. Until next time, peace out.